Starting a business can feel overwhelming, right? But what if I told you that you don't need expensive software or a team of experts to get started? You just need Excel. That's right. Today, I'll show you how to use Excel to launch your startup step by step. Let's get started. Excel isn't just for budgets and number crunching. It's a versatile tool you can use to plan, organize, and grow your business. From tracking your ideas to managing cash flow, Excel has you covered. Here's how. First, let's validate your idea. Create a table with columns like competitor name, price point, and target audience. This will help you map out the market and find gaps your startup can fill. Add a scoring column to rank competitors on factors like quality, pricing, or customer service. Next, we'll map out your business model. Use Excel to create sections for key partners, value propositions, customer segments, and revenue streams. Think of this as your one-page business plan. Every startup needs a financial plan. Create an income statement and a cash flow sheet in Excel. Start with your projected revenue and add rows for costs like marketing, salaries, and supplies. Use formulas to calculate your profit margins and break-even point. Stay organized by building a task tracker. List your tasks, assign deadlines, and track progress. You can even add a status column with drop-downs for in progress, completed, and pending. Color coding can make it visually easier to track progress. As your startup grows, track key metrics like revenue growth, customer acquisition, and expenses. Use Excel's chart tools to build a dashboard that updates automatically. It's like having a personal CFO right in your spreadsheet. Managing customer data is crucial for your startup. Use Excel to build a database with columns like customer name, email, purchase date, and feedback. You can filter and sort this data to identify trends in customer needs. This is a game changer for customer retention and targeted marketing. Got products to manage? Excel is perfect for inventory tracking. Create a sheet with columns for product name, SKU, stock levels, cost price, and selling price. Use conditional formatting to highlight low stock levels and make replenishment seamless. Track your marketing efforts and their effectiveness with an Excel marketing plan. Set up columns for campaign name, platform, budget, reach, and conversions. Add formulas to calculate your return on investment. This will help you identify which campaigns bring the best results. And there you have it, your startup roadmap, all powered by Excel. Who needs fancy software when you have this powerhouse tool? If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more business tips, and let me know in the comments what kind of startup you're planning to launch. See you in the next video.